Cher goes home in a little bit.
Cher's new name is Maggie Mae.
Come on, Cher, come on. She'd rather eat the grass. Oh my goodness sakes. I'm trying to wear her out before she leaves. I don't know how successful I'm being. She's wearing me out. Come on, pretty girl. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Quit eating the grass. Come on. Come on. Quit eating the grass.
She's kind of bunny hopping because she's not used to that leash and that collar.
You got a 3-hour ride home. You got to get worn out. Come on. Yeah, good girl. Come on. Good girl. Sit.
She's a good puppy. She'll be missed, but she'll be taken well care of. She does real good on the sit and the shakes. It's a beautiful day.
See, maybe my name is Maggie Mae now.
Maggie Mae meeting her new mama.
Hi. Oh, I like you. You smell all the crew on me, probably. Yeah.
Remind us, besides her aunt.
Yep, that's Lucy, and then I have Simba, who is a golden doodle, and Simba's 10, and Finnegan, another doodle, is 9.
Oh wow,
And then we have Rose and Bud, who are the cats, and they're Lucy's. Well,
Yes.
Bud is Lucy's
best
baby.
friend. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Lucy and her mom are half sisters
Yes.
because Bear's their dad.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, she
Those
shakes.
feet. Look at
She
those
shakes.
feet. Look at those big clodhoppers.